Hey there grill masters, check out this 29-piece griddle accessories kit perfect for Blackstone and Camp Chef grills. Made from premium stainless steel, these tools are heat-resistant, rust-proof, and built to last through every cookout. The set includes everything from spatulas and tongs to a meat injector and basting cover, giving you all you need for outdoor barbecues. Cleaning is a breeze since all tools are dishwasher safe and come with a compact storage bag for easy organization. Whether flipping burgers, dicing veggies, or scraping your griddle clean, this kit makes cooking as simple as a pro chef. Plus, it comes with handy squeeze bottles, spice shakers, and even a pizza server to elevate any grilling experience. It's the ultimate gift for anyone who loves cooking outdoors or hosting backyard barbecues. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.